Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you whether it is possible to buy or download EA Sports Cricket 2007. First, open your browser and go to the EA Sports website. In the search bar, type Cricket 2007 and press enter. You will see a page dedicated to the game. This is the official page from EA. Here you can see the game title, some screenshots, and a short description of Cricket 07. This confirms that the game was published by EA back in 2006. But if you look closely, you will notice something important. There is no button to buy the game. There is also no button to download it. That means EA no longer sells or supports Cricket 07 on its website. So even though the page exists, it is more like an archive or record of the game, not a place where you can actually get it. If you own the original disc from years ago, you could still install and play it on your PC. But for new players, there is no official digital copy available today. Thanks for watching.